Hey, what's up people, Martin Unix here, and welcome again to another educative tutorial. Today I'm going to show you on how to do a single inverted fishtail braid on long dreadlocks with a chunky finishing look. Welcome guys. These are my locks. You can see they are long locks. So you first kick off by identifying the center of your locks. And this is our center. So remember guys, we are going to do a single inverted fishtail braid, and I have been giving tutorials on fishtail braid there before, so today I will not be so much detailed. I just showing you guys how to be creative enough and come up with different styles using same style. Alright guys, I'm gonna take you slow just for the sake of our beginners. And I'm gonna start with this strand from the right side. Let it lie down to the left side. Pick another strand from the left side, let it lie down on the scarf on the right side. That way guys, you'll be picking strands alternatively from either side as you work backwards. So this is the way to go about it guys. I hope you can clearly see what I'm doing. This is the right side. Pick this strand, lie it down like that. Just cross it over guys to the other side, that way. Holding in position your strands. Since the strands are kinda loosely lying on the scalp guys, you need to hold them firmly as you work backwards, that way guys. I'm gonna pick this one from this side, bring it to the right side. Actually guys, the formula is just picking strands from the right side and bringing them to the left side, alternatingly picking strands from the left side, bringing them to the right side, that way, while ensuring that the braids are lying low on the scalp surface, like that guys, that way. Left side to the right side, left side to the right side, that way. It's a nice look guys for long locks. If you are looking for styles to do guys on your long locks, this is a nice move. That way. So I hope guys you can clearly see what I'm doing. I want to pick strand from the left side to the right side like that guys. I want to lie it down that way. Pick another strand that is from the other side. Let it lie down that way. Remember guys, we are doing inverted fishtail braid. It's kinda loose fishtail braid, which doesn't require the finger eight shape. That way guys. Pick strands one after the other. Now, what you need to take into consideration while doing the fishtail braid, guys, is that this kind of fishtail braid doesn't require you to draw that finger eight shape, unlike the inverted fishtail braid and the visible fishtail braid. Right, guys, just to tip you guys, the secret about this is just to pick strands uniformly by letting them form certain pattern which will look pleasing, hence improving the whole style. You can have a look, guys, on how I'm arranging my strands. And remember, guys, if you are new on my channel, kindly subscribe, like my work, share your comments, share your thoughts through commenting, invite your friends to subscribe, and stay logged for more tutorials to come. It's a simple style, guys, that you can do on long dreadlocks. So now, guys, after reaching this area, you realize that these are my final two strands, and I'm going to use them to lock the strands at this particular area. And now, guys, this is my single inverted fishtail braid. That's how it has come out. You can have a look on both sides, how the strands are neatly aligned together. Alright, guys, now this is the area where I'm going to do the chunky look. Remember that now the chunky look now brings another impression on our style by bringing out that aspect of divination in our style, movement, as well as giving our style volume. So by doing so, guys, I will be picking strands just by the look of the eye. Then I'm gonna balance the longer strands with the shorter strands. I'm gonna somehow try as much as possible pick the longer strands. You just, by doing the chunky look, guys, you just make some little barrels. Yeah. That way. Just to bring you up to date, guys, while doing the chunky look, usually pick strands of locks which seem to be long than the rest. Try and make a simple barrel, just like that. Now reducing the length of those longer strands up to a certain point. Then you use one strand to secure the rest of the strand. Alright guys, now you can have a look on how our style is coming out. It's a quite pleasing style, guys. So just to do my finishing kick, as I have just elaborated, I will reiterate on what I've just said, just for the sake of our beginners. Pick strands and spot the longer strands. I'm not saying that all the strands will balance, but just pick the long strands, wrap them around, making a simple barrel at the bottom, just like that, while reducing the length of the strand to a little bit match with the shorter ones. Pick another strand like that, guys, the longer one, that is. Then you secure using one of the strands, turn the knot to the back, and that's our finishing kick, which is a chunky look, guys. You can have a look. Now we are through. You can have a look on how our inverted fishtail braid has come out and the chunky finish look here, guys. Remember, we have done some simple barrels just to come out with this chunky look. Now this look brings out another taste of style by pushing away the strands apart, guys, in a way that I think you can note that the strands are kind of separated by this look which we have just done up here. Now this chunky look brings out this volume. You see, guys, our strands are going this way, not straight. They are parting ways due to this chunky look which we have just done up here. This is just a way of improving creativity, guys, and bringing out styles which are both attractive and pleasing to the eye. You can have a look, guys, as we go around. It's a nice style, guys. You can try out. If you have longer locks, this is a style that I would advise you to wear. It's a style that can be used in both formal and informal sectors, so no cause of alarm, guys. I hope this tutorial has been educative and informative, guys. Let's keep on subscribing, like my work and comment, and let's meet in the next tutorial. Thank you, guys.